What's up, everybody? Rudy here. And today I'm under this awning here next to this wall in Hollywood, California, just a block down from Hollywood Boulevard, where I'm going to be staying at the Hollywood Dream Hotel, just right where that guy's standing there for the night. So I'm going to do a little hotel tour. Let's have some fun. Couldn't get a good shot of the exterior because it was raining outside today, but the lobby, just the day after Christmas here, the lobby is just a nice cozy little lobby here with this bar and grill to the right when you walk in. It's called the Turntable Bar and Grill. Right around this seating area in the lobby, there's this cozy little area with these paintings here that I thought were pretty cool. All right, let's go check in real quick. Pretty cool little thing. They give you a free drink after check-in. So I got my keys here. Before we check out the room, let's go see the amenities. So unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to show you the lobby bar or the pool today, but it's on the roof. However, I will be, because of weather, but I will be able to show you the gym on level 2 here. Man, everything is so quiet here. What's this? This is like a meeting room right out here by the gym. All right, look at this gym. It's got a punching bag. This is like a freaking crazy gym for, oh my God, look at this. They've got Theraguns in here. Pelotons. This is maybe the most intense gym I've ever seen at a hotel before. I'm gonna say it right now. They got on it kettlebells. What the heck is going on with this? This is like a serious gym. And then they even have little lockers over here. Coming off the elevator here, I do notice a interesting smell that's not necessarily pleasant, but also, check this out. It's so quiet. Creepy. Reminds me of The Shining. Red rum. I cut my finger trying to remove a tag from my ugly Christmas sweater a couple days ago. But red rum. And of course now, the moment you've all been waiting for, what does the room look like? We're on the 3rd floor, room 319. Very small room, as you can see. King size bed. Where's the bathroom? Oh wow, look at this. The bathroom has a window to the bed. That's interesting. Oh, and then there's this big mirror here, I guess, and then behind this is the bathroom. All of it's very nice. Definitely a little dark in here, though. That's so interesting. Never seen that before. Let's check the water pressure real quick. Oh, wow, look at that. When you open the door, the light goes on. Pretty sweet looking shower head. I'm afraid to get my camera wet. How do you turn it on? Okay. There you go. It's more of like a rainfall type nozzle. Their towels are a bit scruffy, but that's all right. Just a small little coffee maker area here. They do have a dining, restaurant that's open until 5:30. They do have a safe. It has the Nespresso Keurig style with these little interesting looking pods here for coffee. Is that a French press? No, I don't know what that is. And then, oh, you put the water in there. That's what it is. And then look at this little, like, interesting looking fridge thing. That's unique, I would say. That's just a drawer. Pretty soft bed. Plenty of plugs and outlets here. Soft pillow, way soft pillows. Those earplugs. Got this little thing by the bed. What is this, like an iPad? It's got iHeartRadio. It's got the weather. You can set an alarm. This is unique. I think it's got a speaker there too. Ooh. Check this out. Little patio out here. What's up with that? So that's Hollywood right over there. This is pretty cool. You couldn't sit down out here or anything, but you could come out, get some fresh air. There's the Church of Scientology right there. Broadway, Hollywood. So here we are down in Hollywood. Netflix over there. So that's probably the, what are they called? The Egyptian theater, probably. Looks like they got blackout curtains here. Along with like a little privacy shade if you wanted it. I suppose this is a alright desk to do your business. I've seen better, but business can be done. Okay, this is kind of fun here. We're on the My Stay page, and this gives you all kinds of different information, and I believe you can even call your valet from here. But I was driving around this block. I drove around like 4 times. That's Hollywood Boulevard, basically right there. 4 times before I, basically decided, all right, there's no parking here. They got like a little ghetto parking lot right here. There's a few around this side over here, but what you have to do is you have to valet on the front, up in the front here, check in right there, pay them $65 per day to valet. But one other little cool thing here is, if you're looking at the hotel up here from this corner, you're right up here by the Hollywood sign. So I thought that was kind of cool. Anyways, so there you have it. There's your small little room at the Hollywood Dream Hotel by Hyatt. I will be checking in tomorrow to add in any details that I missed today, any issues, anything like that. But I can tell you for sure right now, noise isn't going to be an issue unless there's like a nightclub down there on that patio, which we'll see later. So, see you soon. And it is the next morning. I wanted to take this opportunity to start the day by going up to the rooftop pool and restaurant, just to show that. So here we are. Wow, the view from up here is actually really amazing. So this is the view from my room, right? Like we're standing right above where my room is, and just out of sight is the Griffith Observatory from my room, and then the Hollywood sign's just over there. So pretty cool stuff. The stay was great, no real issues. I did stay out really late last night. I went to the Academy nightclub to see some DJs, took it back to the youth. But while I'm here now, I'm just gonna get some breakfast, I think, and then I want to show you guys some of the immediate area around the hotel, like up and down the block maybe. Look, there's a hawk right there on the top of that pillar. That's a real hawk. Just came cruising over to say hi. Oh shit. Wow. Here's the restaurant here. Got a really good view of the Hollywood sign from over there. Right down there. And then they got the bar, of course. Closes at 7 p.m. when it's not raining. Oh, I just noticed too, they got these cool little bungalows here with like, you can adjust the shade and everything like that. And they got TVs down here. Pretty sweet little setup. And then there's like the sunrise over there coming over downtown LA. This is pretty cool, actually. I kind of like it. This is Rex. He's been guarding the elevator the entire time. He's a good boy. I'm gonna miss Rex. Ooh, now that it's not raining today too, they've opened up this whole door. It, like, slides open to the street. That's pretty cool. Okay, so standing on the corner here, we're on Selma and Cahuenga. Hollywood Boulevard is right down that way. There's just a ton of stuff around just this general area. There's a cool little spot over there that's like a sports bar called the Elbow Room. There's a cafe here, Trejo's Cantina. Last night I was thinking this was Flynn's from Tron, but it's this other place called Floyd's. It's like a little, looks like gaming. Let's go over there and look. Actually, it's just a barber shop. Totally not what I thought it was at all. So that's the restaurant Tao that we went in last night. Pretty freaking cool. The minute we stepped inside, we realized right away that we were definitely underdressed. This place was more of like a lounge, kind of nightclub, restaurant hybrid. Turns out they have like a chain of them. One of them's in Vegas. One of them's in like Chicago and so on and so forth. This one looks like it used to be a movie theater, but it was super cool design. Like the design was really really cool, like Asian, Chinese, Japanese kind of fusion. One of the main focal points in the restaurant was this thing that supposedly moved, but we never saw it move. And of course, here's a nice, big, beautiful, wide shot of the hotel now that it is not raining outside. So now we're heading up Wilcox. There is a few like pay to park places around here, but I recommend just don't even waste your time. Just do your valet. And then now we're gonna hit Hollywood Boulevard. It's telling me to go straight, but I'm just gonna take a quick turn real quick. Now we're on the boulevard. There's Popeyes there. Really just some random part of the boulevard. I don't really even recognize exactly where it is. But you're right near the action for sure. So I found out that it's also just about a 10-minute drive to Universal Studios from the hotel as well. That's a bonus. You could stay there and go to Universal.